Hey guys, it's Yvette, and guess what I have? It's my Creative Notions bag. I am always excited to see what we're going to have inside. And let's get it open. I haven't even cut it, so let's get that cut. Okay. And the bag is always inside here. And it always comes in a nice little bag that you can reuse. Let me just try to get all the cat hair off of here. I love cat hair though, don't get me wrong. Okay, so let's get it open. And usually comes out in one big loop. Oh, hello, bunch of candy fell out. Can't be sad about that. So I got me some Lifesavers. Have a little snack in a minute. And let me see. Oh, sorry guys. I'm okay. Are you well entertained yet? I'm pulling out the little note first so that we can see what it says. Okay, so Creative Notions, March 2021 subscription. March. I think I just got this at the end of last week. Okay, I know that she sent something around that said that they were changing the date of shipping. So I'm sure, yeah. I mean, I got it in March, at the very end of March. I'm pretty sure. Okay, what difference does it make? Let's just get this open. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So she does have everything listed about what's in the bag. I'm not going to look at that specifically. But I will read about... I'm going to come back to that actually, because she did write about the fabric, and I do want to read that to you guys about the fabric. Okay, it says how to win a pack of 2.5-inch strips at a $40 value. Number 1, make something from the fabric from any of the Creative Notions subscriptions, past or present, and post it on social media. Number 2, tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop. And number 3, try to guess the next fabric line from the clues posted on our Creative Notions Facebook group page. That can actually be quite funny. She'll post this picture and then everybody starts trying to guess what it is. And it can be a lot of fun. So if you're not there yet and you subscribe, go and make sure that you are in that group, and it's a lot of fun. And number 4, submit your own quilt block design to info@creativenotionsquiltshop.com, and in the subject line put block contest, and winners will receive a pre-cut of fabric. So you'll get a jelly roll. Subscribers get 15% off online purchases with a special code that they give us. You can't get the discount on subscription bags or on anything that's on sale. Oh, and it says exciting news. Creative Notions is getting a new website. Watch for it in April. Subscriptions will be integrated to make it so much easier to subscribe. Excellent. Okay, so we'll keep an eyeball out for that. Let me get to start opening all the stuff. Okay. So this is the subscribers block of the month competition. This tin patch is by Rosa Maria Mirave or Mirivette. I'm not sure how that's supposed to be said. I'm so sorry if I said it wrong. The unfinished square is 5.5 inches. And there it is. A couple of different ways that you can make it. And it looks like... Okay, so Maria submitted her block in Spanish, so they translated it and they put in the pattern in Spanish and English so you can read both. Well, if you can speak Spanish and English, you can read both. Otherwise, pick the one that you can read. Okay, so lovely block. Okay. The next thing Okay, this is a quilt idea for the 10 patch block. So when you submit a pattern, then Creative Notions will take that pattern and make a quilt out of it. As a suggestion, I'm so sorry, almost dropped that. There's the suggestion. So it's inside. Jellybean, what are you doing, baby? He's nuts. I don't know what he's trying to do. Okay, so there's that idea. And then, okay, this is a pattern for a table topper. It's called Home Sweet Home. And let's see. I'm trying to get open, sorry. Of course, I guess I don't have to get it open because it's just diagrams and stuff like that. You can just see that's the pattern for the table topper. It says that it finishes at 39 and a half inches square. Okay. Then, oh look, we have a little square up ruler, 3.5 inches, with Creative Notions on it. And the little camper. So there you go. So you can use that like for fussy cutting too, which is kind of cool. All right. And then these are some laser cut denim letters that say, it says Home Sweet Home. And there are the letters. Home is over here. And obviously they're sweet. Like you need me to tell you that. Okay. And I think that they are meaning for you to put that on your table topper. And obviously, I mean, that's optional. You can do it if you want or not. It's up to you. But you have those. And then we have a little bag. And you can see through it, so you can put like projects in there. Nice little zipper bag. And okay, I'm not really sure what that's for. I'm sure it's gonna, maybe that's the, I don't know. Okay, I want to make sure I go in the right direction. I'm thinking, let me look on here. Jellybean, can I have this, baby? Okay, because we're on the fabric now. Okay, let me show you the fat quarters first. We have 8 fat quarters. And what is this? I'm sorry, I'm missing everything. Okay, this is called Indigo Garden. And it is by K. England. And I don't think I've heard of K. England. I'm gonna have to look her up. Okay, so here they are. Jellybean, baby, no. I'm sorry. Here's the fabric. And let me unwrap it. Unwrap my little present. And I'll show you each one. Okay. And here's the first one. Y'all can also let me know if Jellybean has anything wrong with his ears. Here's number 2. Jellybean. Here is number 3. I'm trying to get that close enough so you can see how it has that weave look. And here's number 4. And number 5. Here's number 6. This is a darker blue with that weave look. And number 7. and number 8. Okay, now I'm thinking, let me look at this pattern. Okay, so the requirements, the fabric requirements are 8 assorted fat quarters, which we have, and then 1 1/4 yard of background, and that's what we got this for. This, and I'll explain that in a second. Because that's the explanation that's in the booklet, and I'm going to make sure I read that to you. You need also 1/3 yard for binding, and laser cut fabric letters or 1 fat quarter, because I guess you would just put that in the middle instead. Optional heat and bond light to apply to letters. I'm not sure if they already did that. Oh, nope, they don't. There's no adhesive backing on this. So you would either applique it, or you could always put your own on the back. Okay. And then all the regular stuff you need for sewing. So here's what it says inside the booklet. Kay England's new Indigo Garden collection is a floral group inspired by fabrics from the past, then colored in modern pale to medium grays with a variety of blues, from pale dusty to almost navy. Okay, so this is 100% cotton chambray. It says, and it does come 60-inch is the width of fabric. It says it has a look of lightweight denim. Chambray is yarn dyed and woven with white yarn, which gives it the denim look. The difference that makes it chambray rather than denim is it is woven using a plain weave, woven like quilting cotton construction. The denim is woven with a twill weave, which gives denim the extra strength. We included the chambray to use as backing and binding for your home sweet home table topper. Okay. All right, so that explains that. And I can tell you about the winners for March. The block winner is Rosa Miravet Conessa. I hope I'm saying your name right, sweetheart. The project winner is Patty Griffin, and the Name Your Gnome contest winner is Paula Zilke. And I hope I'm saying that right too. Okay, so that was our Creative Notions for March. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.